Good morning and very warm welcome to my dear students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson 5.2 of class 5, and the name of the lesson is Climate and the Lifestyle of Nepal. So, under this lesson, related to this lesson, I have written here some of the word meaning which makes you more clear about this lesson, which makes you more easy to understand this lesson, lesson 5.2 of class 5, Climate and the Lifestyle of the Nepal. So, the word meaning are climate, climate means motion, lifestyle means jivan shaili, barley means jaun, buckwheat means thapar, millet means kodo, and pulse means dal. So these are the word meaning. I hope you will copy these in your copy. So in this lesson, lesson 5.2 of class 5, Climate and the Lifestyle of the Nepal, we are going to study about the geographical region of Nepal, Tarai region, hilly region and the mountain region, and the climate and the lifestyle of the people who live in this three region, in this three mountain region, hilly region and the Tarai region. So without doing any delay, I am going to start this lesson. I hope you will listen to me very carefully. So we have already learned that our country is divided into three regions. हामीले पछिल्लो च्याप्टरमा in our previous class or in our previous video or in our previous lesson we had learned about our country, that our country is divided into three regions. हामीले पछिल्लो च्याप्टरमा पढिसकेका छौं कि हाम्रो देश नेपाललाई तीनवटा भागमा डिभाइड गरिएको छ. So the climate of the three regions are different. र यी तीनवटा region का climate अथवा मौसम के छ त फरक छ. The climate of these three regions are different. So the mountain region is very cold all year round. Because in mountain region there lies a high mountains which is covered by snow throughout the year. That's why the climate of the mountain region is very cold throughout the year. Mountain region मा चाहिँ सेता हिउँले ढाकिएका हिमालहरू नजिक भएको कारणले गर्दा त्यहाँको मौसम एकदमै चिसो छ. वर्षभरि नै चिसो हुने गर्छ. The climate of the mountain region is very cold throughout the year. So the people of this region wear very warm woolen clothes. त्यसैले एकदमै जाडो भएको कारणले गर्दा यस क्षेत्रका व्यक्तिहरूले एकदमै बाक्लो र एकदमै न्यानो खालको पोशाक अथवा लुगा लगाउने गर्छ. Because the climate of mountain region is very cold, that's why the people of this region, the people of the mountain region wear very thick and very woolen clothes. The typical dress of this region are bakhu and dosa for the men and pangden for the women. र mountain region मा बसोबास गर्ने पुरुष जातिहरूले bakhu र dosa लगाउने गर्छ भने महिलाहरूले pangden लगाउने गर्छ. So women also wear dosa र महिलाले पनि dosa लगाउने गर्छ. So this is the dosa, bakhu, pangden are the typical dress of the mountain region. The typical dress of the people who live in a mountain region. So now come to the hilly region. In this region, people grow potato, millet, buckwheat and the barley. र mountain region का व्यक्तिहरूले आफ्ना खेतबारीमा आलु, कोदो, फापर, जौ जस्ता कुराहरू उत्पादन गर्ने गर्छ. Paddy is not grown in the mountain region. Paddy mountain region मा हुँदैन. So they also grow apples र यस्ता अन्नपात सँगसँगै mountain region का व्यक्तिहरूले स्याउ पनि उत्पादन गर्ने गर्छ. They produce apples in a huge amount, in a huge productions, and the main occupation of this region is the animal rearing. र यस क्षेत्रका व्यक्तिहरूले विशेष गरी गाईबस्तुहरू पालन गर्ने गर्छ, क्याटलहरू पाल्ने गर्छ. So this region or the mountain regions people rear cattle or they do animal rearing. The main occupations of the mountain region is animal rearing. And the Bhote, Sherpa, Thakali people have a majority in this region. र यस क्षेत्रमा बढी मात्रामा शेर्पा जात, भोटे जात र थकाली जातका व्यक्तिहरू बढी मात्रामा बसोबास गर्ने गर्छ भने यी जातका व्यक्तिहरूले बुद्धिस्ट धर्म मान्ने गर्छ. So now come to the hilly region. So on the other hand, the hilly region is not much cold as the mountain region. As compared to the mountain region, the climate of the hilly region is very mild, is very moderate, neither very hot nor cold. एकदमै जाडो पनि छैन जिउने कामले जाडो पनि छैन, एकदमै गर्मी भएर शरीर नै पोल्ला जस्तै गर्मी पनि छैन. The climate is very mild. The climate is very moderate, neither very hot, neither very cold as compared to the mountain region. The climate of the hilly region is very mild. So they wear daura sulwar, coat, ghale, bhoto, khachar, kachhad, and the women in this region wear cholo, faria, pachauri, lungi, etc. त्यसैले यस रिजनमा बसोबास गर्ने पुरुषहरूले कछाड, भोटो, दाउरा सुरुवाल, घले, इस्टकोट, ढाका टोपी लगाउने गर्छ भने महिलाहरूले लुङ्गी, पछ्यौरा, फरिया, चोलो, साडी, कुर्ता लगाउने गर्छ. So most of the people living in these regions are Gurung, Magar, Brahmin, Kshetris, Newar, Vishwakarmas, Pariyar, Chepang, Rai, Limbu and so on. र यस रिजनमा बसोबास गर्ने व्यक्तिहरू भनेका गुरुङ, मगर, ब्राह्मण, क्षेत्री, नेवार, विश्वकर्मा, परियार, चेपाङ र लिम्बू जातका व्यक्तिहरू बढी मात्रामा यस रिजनमा बसोबास गर्ने गर्छ भने द मेन रिलिजियस इन दिस रिजन इज हिन्दुज्म, बुद्धिज्म, इस्लाम एन्ड किरात. र यस क्षेत्रमा बसोबास गर्ने वा हिली रिजनमा बसोबास गर्ने व्यक्तिहरूले धेरै जसो व्यक्तिहरूले हिन्दू धर्म, बुद्धिस्ट धर्म, इस्लाम धर्म र किरात धर्म मान्ने गर्छ. सो मोस्ट अफ द पिपल अफ दिस region or of the hilly region follow Hindu dharma, Buddhist dharma, Islam dharma and Kiratis dharma. So people of this region are engaged in the farming. So the people of the hilly region engaged in a farming, agriculture job, governmental job and a business. र यस क्षेत्रका व्यक्तिहरूले कसैले खेती किसानी गर्ने गर्छ, कसैले व्यापार गर्ने गर्छ भने कसैले सरकारी कामहरू गर्ने गर्छ, सरकारी अफिसमा अथवा सरकारी कार्यालयमा काम गर्ने गर्छ. So the people of this region are engaged in a some people engaged in a farming, some people engaged in some governmental job and some people are engaged in a business. So now the last region where we live is the Tarai region. So Tarai region is very hot in a summer and cold in a winter. Tarai region मा गर्मी मौसममा एकदमै गर्मी हुन्छ र जाडो मौसममा एकदमै जाडो हुने गर्छ. So in Tarai region there is very hot in a summer and very cold in a winter. The people of this region wear thin and cotton clothes because the climate is very hot. Because the climate is very hot as compared to the mountain region and the hilly region, that's why the people of the hilly region wear very thin and cotton clothes. So यहाँको मौसम एकदमै गर्मी, एकदमै तातो भएको कारणले गर्दा, यहाँको मौसम एकदमै तातो भएको कारणले गर्दा यहाँको व्यक्तिहरूले एकदमै पातलो र सुतीको अथवा कटनको लुगाहरू लगाउने गर्छ. So most of the people wear very thin and the cotton clothes. As we can see, the climate is very hot. So the men wear dhoti, kurta, shirt and pant. र पुरुषहरूले धोती, कुर्ता, सर्ट, प्यान्टहरू लगाउने गर्छ भने महिलाहरूले साडी, ब्लाउज, पेतानी, बोना, सलवार, कुर्ता जस्ता पोसाकहरू लगाउने गर्छ. So the main languages spoke in this region are Nepali, Tharu, Maithili, Bhojpuri, Urdu, Rajbansi, Bimal, etc. र यस क्षेत्रमा एज अ मदर टङ बोलिने भाषाहरू भनेको नेपाली भाषा, थारू भाषा, मैथिली भाषा, भोजपुरी भाषा, उर्दू भाषा, राजबन्सी भाषा र भिमल भाषाहरू हुन्. So people speak Nepali language, Tharu language, Maithili language, Bhojpuri language, Urdu language, Rajbansi language, Bimal language as their mother tongue at their home. So, but the common language is a Nepali language, which is understood by all the Nepalese. So, majority people follow Hinduism, Christianity and Islam. धेरै जसो मानिसहरूले हिन्दू धर्म, क्रिश्चियन धर्म र इस्लाम धर्म मान्ने गर्छ भने यस क्षेत्रमा बसोबास गर्ने व्यक्तिहरू भनेका ब्राह्मण, क्षेत्री, थारू, सतार, मुसार, धिमाल, यादव, मुसलमान etc. And the main food of this region is rice, bread, pulse and green vegetables. र यस क्षेत्रका मुख्य खाना भनेको दाल, भात, रोटी र खरिलो सागसब्जीहरू हो. So this much for today. I hope you understood about the geographical situations and the climate and the lifestyle of the people who lived in the mountain region, hilly region and the Tarai region. And I hope you understood about this lesson 5.2 of class 5, climate and the lifestyle of the Nepal. So related to this lesson climate and the lifestyle of Nepal, lesson 5.2 of class 5, I have written here some of the question which is I have written here some of the question related to this lesson for your homework. So the question is, what do men in the hilly region wear? Hilly region का व्यक्तिहरूले कस्ता पोशाकहरू लगाउने गर्छ? You have to write the name of the costumes which is worn by the hilly region. So in the B number, where do the people grow apples in Nepal? नेपालको कुन रिजनमा मानिसहरूले स्याउको उत्पादन गर्ने गर्छ? So you have to write the name of the region in this question number B. So in the question C, how can we develop the harmony among the people of the various castes? फरक फरक जातका व्यक्तिसँग हामीले एउटा राम्रो सम्बन्ध, एउटा राम्रो good relation हामीले कसरी मेन्टेन गर्न सक्छौं? How can we maintain a good relations among the people of the various castes? You have to write your answer in the question number C. So the question number D, what are the main food of the people in the Taraई region? Taraई region का व्यक्तिहरूका मुख्य खाना के हो? So what are the main food of the people in the Taraई region? So this is the question answer. This is the homework for you. I hope you will do this homework at your home very seriously. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you.